Hello, artistic people. So I was trying to learn to paint with acrylics, and I think I did learn something. So I have here probably more stuff than I need, but I don't want to get up and looking for stuff when I'm filming a video. So here is my little booklet. Here is colors I've been using, normally white. Then I will use this pale yellow, black, and then I use these two, pink and light blue. But I don't know, will I have enough blue, so I maybe will use these two. So then for glazing, I don't have medium, but I heard that I can use this cool glue if I mix with the colors. And for longer wet, I will use hair gel and on water base, so I did heard that colors will stay longer wet if I use this. So first we need to take these two colors, and I think I will need everything. So first this blue mixed with white, and I will mix this. So I will use this, then I will use this pink in the bottom part of my painting, and I will add also white. All these colors are so cheap, so you can paint with cheap colors. I will take this brush because it is biggest brush, and then I will take this darker part of my paint, and I will paint here. Upper part of my painting will be more dark than bottom. And I put the primer on, so we have some lifting here, but never mind, this will not be visible because I will put branches here in one big tree. So that is that. I will erase this, and I will take more water and a little bit dry, and then I will take this lighter blue and I will put it like this, so pretty straight. Then I will take pink, and first I will take this darker part and a little bit mix with this blue, like this. So we will have something like even purple here on the bottom. Then I will take again this darker purple and put it down here. If you can say, this paint is already drying, so it is pretty bad paint, Then I will wash my brush, dry my brush. Then I will take this lighter blue, and I want to put it up here like some maybe clouds in the background or something, but not very much visible. So like this. Then I will again wash my brush, and then I will take this darker blue and I will do the same here. A little bit of darker blue here and there, like clouds in the distance. Then I will again take away color and wash my brush, and then I will again take this lighter pink, and then I will do the same here and everywhere. Then I will mix this light with this dark, and on the tip of my brush I will add more of pink. A little bit of this pale yellow, and for that I will use different brush, this one, and put it here and there, somewhere maybe here. And then I will take my white with the same brush. I want to add also like some white on the edges. Like clouds, but these long white clouds. This will not be so much visible because we will put our tree here, but nevertheless we need some clouds. And now we dry. And now we are using only the black. And since I want this to stay a little bit longer wet, I will add a little bit of this hair gel in this color. So this is the trick I'm trying first time, so we will see. Will the color stay longer wet? Like this. And now we are making a big tree. So this tree will go something, one big branch here, little ones like here and here and like this. And how can you see, guys? This will stay longer wet, and I'm really stunned. So we will add a little bit more of these cute little branches inside of the tree, but paint is really stayed longer wet. And we have a nice painting. So for me, this is the start. I don't know, maybe I should add some other branches here and there. Some like they're going in this way, maybe something like this. So I am really happy to say that this is working. I think this is cute. And thank you so much for watching, and see you in the next one. Bye.